Total wave. Sport is a complex and exhausting activity that only few people really enjoy. However, there are ways to make it more exciting and even fun. The invention you see on the screen is called total wave. Vending machine. Most soft drinks available in every store have two disadvantages. The first is that very often they contain large and unhealthy amounts of sugar. And even if you buy regular water from a store, another disadvantage is the disposable plastic bottles, which are polluting the environment. The vending machine for ice and water is a great alternative. You have to use your own ice bag or buy one in an automatic vending machine and then use it again. And you have to bring your own bottle. The machine is designed for a one-time supply of 19 liters of water or less if you wish. It is noteworthy that you can pay in any convenient way, with bills, coins, or a credit card. Dirt repellent car paint. A few years ago, it was reported that Nissan was testing dirt repellent car paint. This is a special ultra ever dry complex that includes fat and water repellent components. They form an invisible layer between the body and the surroundings, preventing stains. The coating is resistant to temperature changes, rain, and snow, and there's a chance that such paint will be among optional equipment of Nissan cars in the future. Protect. Anti-theft devices have not changed much in recent years. It's still the same alarm system that makes a sound and alerts the police. However, before they arrive, the intruder often has enough time to steal valuable items and escape. Protect is an innovative system to protect homes, warehouses, and commercial spaces. In the event of a break-in, it doesn't make a sound but quickly fills the room with a dense fog. It's so thick that the intruder loses the ability to see, and in some cases even loses their spatial orientation. This means that they won't be able to take anything of value even if they wanted to, because they won't be able to see or find it. In addition, Protect works especially well due to the surprise effect. The attacker is scared by the fog and hurries to leave the room as soon as possible. It is noteworthy that Protect leaves no residue on furniture, walls, or other surfaces and doesn't contain any harmful substances. It is harmless to people and animals alike and doesn't damage plants or electrical appliances. The manufacturer offers various protection options to fill rooms of any size with fog. The fog stays in the room for an hour, which means in most cases it can even detain the intruder before the police arrive. For the system to work again, you only have to replace the bag with special liquid in the sprayer. Load it. Everyone knows that most people use the roof rack to transport boats, kayaks, and other vessels. However, few of them know that loading can be done quickly, easily, and without physical effort. All thanks to an invention called Load It. It's a special loader that can be installed on almost any car with a roof rack. For each order, the design is made according to individual dimensions. Load It gently lifts the vessel and then lowers it onto the roof of the vehicle in the most comfortable and suitable way, from any side, back, or front. The device is made from aircraft-grade aluminium, which stands out for its lightness and durability. The system is managed by a remote control. The carrying capacity of the device is 180 kilograms, while the maximum length of the load is 2 meters. XNet. When chasing potential criminals, the most important thing is to keep people safe, both the police and the offenders. That is why more and more gadgets are being designed to provide the highest level of safety to all people involved in the chase. XNet is no exception. It's a safer and more effective alternative to spikes that are usually placed on the roadway. The fact is that a sudden loss of pressure in the tires leads to losing control of the car. XNet is a high-tech fiber net measuring 5 by 3 meters. When the car drives on it, the net wraps around the front wheels. First, it pierces the tires in several places, and secondly, it wraps around the wheel's axles, preventing them from spinning. At a speed of 80 km per hour, the average stop distance is 55 meters. The lower the speed, the shorter the distance. The deceleration is not too abrupt, so the driver does not get hurt. When folded, the XNet system looks like a compact suitcase. The complete deployment time is 20 seconds, and the process is started remotely. The manufacturer offers 2 versions of the product designed for cars and trucks. Mobile stairs. If you've ever seen a grandstand assembling, you know it's a long, time-consuming process that usually involves an entire team of workers. Mobile stairs is an invention that solves this problem. It is a grandstand that even 2 people can assemble in a short time. The invention stands out for its ease of assembly and mobility. When folded, the mobile stairs is no bigger than a freight trailer. The wheels make it much easier to transport the structure from one place to another. When the construction is deployed, it turns into a spacious grandstand. Every element is securely fixed, and the fence along the edge provides increased safety. Having a tent is definitely an advantage too. As you can see, the person puts a minimum of effort in. He pushes the levers in a certain order, after which the system starts to unfold on its own. The Belgian company Tube manufactures such systems. In addition to the stands, it also produces mobile folding scenes.